Elk Cloner. Elk Cloner is a boot sector virus, which means it infects the boot sector of a floppy disk. Elk Cloner is a boot sector virus, which means it infects the boot sector of a floppy disk. Elk Cloner is notable for being one of the first computer viruses to spread widely. An ingenious piece of primitive malware. Elk Cloner wasn't quite the unpredictable and virus one might imagine. When infecting a new device, it imprinted a signature byte to the host SD to show that a particular operating system had already been infected. This prevented the target operating system from being altered each time a disk was accessed. Uninfected operating systems by writing the signature to the disk itself. While the virus was relatively harmless and pales in comparison to modern viruses or those which followed, such as the Michelangelo virus from the early 1990s. The emergence of Elk Cloner did mark a significant moment in computing history. However, as one of the first self-replicating viruses to spread in the wild,